With building materials and equipment becoming increasingly popular targets for thieves, all aspects of your construction site can unfortunately attract undesirable attention that may be a detrimental effect on your business. To safeguard your site and reduce the level of criminal activity, ISSM Protective Services will deploy only the most professional construction security guards and officers with relevant, industry-specific training and experience. For a motivated, dedicated, and customer-centric security company that can deliver a rapid and effective response to security breaches, get in touch with ISSM Protective Services today.